Okay, we have so many beautiful ingredients. Yeah, so of course we got certified organic olive oil. Okay, and then we have okay certified organic miso paste, organic shoyu, about 2 pounds. Now, let's see, that's roughly 1.5 pound of pesticide-free fried tofu, and these are the thinly sliced fried tofu, right? And then organic veggies, right? So it's called wasabina. I think it's called mustard green or some kind of thing. And then certified organic, mushrooms. Yeah. So these two are organic. So shiitake and enoki, right? Yeah. And then chopped organic celeries, gingers, grated garlic and ginger, the organics, right? And then fish bones. So prior to this show, I've already blanched this, so getting rid of fishy smell. And these are easy. So let's go yellowtail fish bones, right? If you want omitted, that's fine too. You can use shrimp shells or stuff like that. But when you use shrimps, make sure it's the wild one. And then the main ingredient, right? So yellowtail soft roe. All right. So it's yummy looking. Yeah. And because right now it's kind of mating season, so that's why I managed to get this. It's dirt cheap to make this. And now this one is called amazake. It tastes like sake, but it's like it's called amazake. You can check this out. And then this is optional. It's the pesticides-free kimchi flavored jam, I guess. Yeah. All right. Let's get started. Yeah. Alrighty. So first of all, I'm gonna stir fry some herbs, right? So put these grated garlics and gingers much later, so just use some ginger, okay, and because you want to get rid of the naughty smell. I mean, this is fresh, less likely it's going to be happening, but in case you don't have the freshest stuff available, this is what you do. This is very un-Japanese, but I love this because anything with organic veggies, I'll take it, right? So, you can smell that. So good, doesn't it, right? And then, meanwhile, you know what? Why don't I put some, just tiny bit of garlic, okay? Yeah. Gonna be hip. Oh, whoa, flying garlic. That's kind of funky as hell. Okay. So just watch what I'm doing. Okay. It smells good. And then fish bones, right? They're already seasoned with the black pepper, organic, of course. All right. So you put any way you want. All right. And this one, reason why I put this, so you can make your own the fish broth from scratch. Yeah. I mean, those of you that have, I mean, you can use the regular fish broth or beef broth or whatever. Yeah, I already blanched it so that it doesn't, to get rid of the fishy smell, right? Yeah. So good, so bloody good. Did I say bloody good? I guess I did. Yeah. Good. Don't worry, it might burn underneath, but it's okay. It doesn't matter. Yeah, so All right. This is how you make some fish broth itself, and then it's good. The flesh is going to taste very good anyway, right? Then what's next? Shiitake mushroom. Yes, sir. Okay, so I'm gonna add some shiitake mushroom. And what else? Fried tofu. Because the soft roe, it's kind of fragile, so you want to put fried tofu underneath, right? And if you don't have these block fried tofu, that is fine too. But the yeah, okay. And before I am going to put the a soft roll, I'm gonna put the bed of it. Okay, so this is like a bed, right? Yeah. Welcome to the bedroom. Because if you put the soft roll underneath, it's kind of fragile. It makes it difficult to scoop it out. So that's the main reason. Yeah. I know it doesn't look too good, but it doesn't matter. I am more focusing on the nutritious, right? If you don't like the way I'm garnish it, you know, you're on the wrong damn channel. So here, 2 pounds of soft roe. All right. Some people do blanch this, but I didn't have to because it's just being caught this morning or last night, I suppose. So it doesn't have the fishy one. But if it's kind of fishy, I reckon to maybe soak it up with the purified water, vinegar, organic vinegar of your choice. Yeah. Baking soda. You soak this stuff for overnight. Maybe, you know, sometimes it's only need 2 hours to do so. Yeah. So slippery. Yeah. It's like a poor man's butter. Yeah. I know those of you in North America, I don't think you have access to get that. But if you're a fisherman, I reckon, or if you have friends, with a fish manga, I reckon ask them to keep this for you. Yeah. Right? And when you wash the sink, you wash it with vinegar. You know, after you wash it, biodegradable soap, so that the sink won't be naughty. Yeah. And then what else? I'm not going to put the organic greens. I'm gonna put it at the end. Yeah. But meanwhile, I go ahead and put some organic shimeji. No. The enoki mushrooms. Yeah. This is the stems, right? They're called poor man's scallop. Poor man's scallops. Yeah. Good, huh? Yeah. There. I'm gonna add this at the end. And the organic miso paste. Yeah. Alrighty. This one is the the world's most exclusive miso paste you can get. So it's organically certified and made by Yamaki. You know, it's very famous. It's in Saitama, right? Just right next to Tokyo area. Hey, don't mess with the Texas, but don't mess it up with the Saitama as well. All right. You know what? Put a big ass spoon. 2 tablespoons. Yeah. Don't worry, this stuff is going to dissolve. Even it doesn't matter because it tastes so good anyway. Yeah. Sometimes I love to sprinkle this, and then you can mix it at the end. You know, it's like make your own fondue kind of thing. Yeah. It's going to dissolve anyway, so don't you worry about it. This is very unorthodox way to put the miso paste into it, but this is my style. Okay, so if you don't like my style, that's not my problem. Yeah, right. Then I didn't have to add any water because you're gonna get the liquid from these ingredients themselves. Yeah, so that's why. So here's the garlic, ginger. So why do I mix these things? Yeah? Just sprinkle this. Sprinkles. It's bloody good. Did I say bloody good? Sure I did. Yeah. And some Japanese people call this Tofu nabe. It's kind of an unhealthy nabe because I guess a high calorie because the fish eggs and all other things. But actually this is healthy. It's the one of the ketogenic friendly meal you can get at low cost. Yeah. And olive oil is good for the health. Huh? So. Oh yeah. I gotta put this one. It's a kimchi paste, so to speak. Yeah. It's hard to open this. If not, I'm gonna omit it because I don't want breaking. You know what? I'm gonna omit this. I don't know why. I keep trying. Can't open this. I used this last week, but hey, that's okay. Now, use organic veg as much as you can because it has the best phytonutrient properties, right? Now, this is called amazake. Yeah, it's a sake without alcohol, basically. It's been here for Japan many years. It's like a rice bran, a rice juice kind of thing. Yeah. You know what? I'm gonna dilute it with the purified water because I don't want to waste these fantastic ingredients. All right. So let's see. Made by Yamaki. Yeah. No, I'm not getting sponsors for Yamaki, but I'm just promoting this product. Huh? Yeah. Say Tokimeku Koji. Ah. Okay. Sounds good to me. And certified organic, of course. Yeah. So, wow. Non-alcohol, so no alcohol. Shake it and drink it. Yeah, but this baby's drinking it. All right, so. Okay, so I guess I see you in 35 minutes, maybe 40 minutes. Ciao. Okay, so the soft roll hot pot is ready. Yeah. So I don't know how could I do this, but I do it anyway. Yeah. Okay. Woo. It's kind of fragile. Yeah, but it's okay. It's so good. Look at that. It's not bad, huh? It's beautiful. Who say, who hates this one? Nobody, I suppose. Yeah. Alrighty. See, the soft roll is so soft as tofu, So it's like a seafood tofu. Some people do say that. And don't forget to add this one. Yeah, so, yeah. There we have. Right? Then, don't forget the enoki mushrooms. Yeah, put some more veggies. Why not, right? Okay. It's not bad either. Yeah, it's not bad at all. Yeah. Make sure when you cook the either soft roll or eggs or gonad, whatever you want to call, put some, tofu, thinly sliced tofu underneath, right? So that it makes easy to scoop it up, right? Yeah. Okay, so what we have. This is what we have. Cheers. It's kind of hot to hold it. It's okay. So I'm gonna hold. This is gonna be the table. Don't do this at home, but I'm doing it now. So, itadakimasu, right? So creamy. Amazing. I'm gonna eat the organic greens, okay? So. This is so healthy. I put some more effort on the ingredients over the garnishing, You can fancy it up as much as you want, but don't get tricked because of the way it looks. This may not be appetizing for certain viewers, but I don't give a trash about it because I care more about nutrition. And if you really care about the garnishing or the way it looks, then you better go to a restaurant. Yeah. Okay, so this is the best home cooking meal. Okay, cheers. This is very peppery. I love this. I only use organic veggies, organic condiments as well. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching. And I do apologize eating you in front of like this because the chef's privilege. Okay, God bless.